algebraic fraction, which we're going to simplify. We are not allowed to do any cancelling or simplifying, though, until the top and the bottom are written in a form where it's something multiplied by something. In other words, we need to factorise the top and the bottom. Okay, first of all, look at the top. 6x squared. So we've got 6x squared plus x minus 15, and we need to factorise that. I'm going to use the crisscross method, where first of all I look at the 6 and I write down two numbers that multiply to make 6. And then I look at the minus 15 and I want two numbers that multiply together to make 15. Well, that's 3 and 5. Could be others. Let's try that. 3 times 5 is 15. 2 times 3 is 6. And I'm never going to be able to make 1, which is the number of x's, by adding or subtracting 15 and 6. Not going to work. Okay, so let's try 3, 2. I'm going to swap those two over and have the 5 there and the 3 there. So 3 times 3, if I multiply, is 9. 5 times 2 is 10. That's looking better. So if I make it, I'll just draw it again, 3, 2. If I make the 5 positive and the 3 there negative, 5 times 2 is 10. 3 times minus 3 is minus 9. And 10 take away 9 is 1. And now that's correct because I'm looking for 1x in the middle. Now these numbers then give me my two brackets. So I know now that the top of my fraction is the same as 3x plus 5 multiplied by 2x minus 3. I've now got to factorise the bottom here. Well, I can see that there's a common factor. 12 and 27 are both multiples of 3. So if I take out that common factor, it becomes 3 times 4x squared minus 9. Now that is an expression of the form of the difference of two squares. So to factorise it, I can make the 4x squared minus 9 into 2x plus 3, because 2x because 2x times 2x gives me 4x squared, and 3 times 3 gives me 9. So I put a 3 there, and if I put a minus in one bracket and a plus in the other, when I remove the brackets, I will get 4x squared minus 9. Sorry, that's 2x minus 3. So the bottom here, not forgetting that I've got that 3 that I took out, is the same as 3 and 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3. Now that's useful because I can see that these two brackets can be cancelled, because things which are multiplied together, if they're the same top and bottom, they can be cancelled out. So, and there's my answer. So I can either write it as 3x plus 5 and then 3 brackets 2x plus 3, or you're allowed also to have the same but with the bracket on the bottom removed, so 6x plus 9. That would equally be fine.